In last video lectures, I have explained resistor, capacitor, inductor and also breadboards. So let's make a simple project using the fundamentals of resistor, capacitor and inductors and breadboard. So what we have to use here is simple battery like 3.7 volt, and we have to connect this battery to the power terminals. As we have earlier discussed, this green one is for positive and the white one is for negative. Most of the students have color confusions like positive, what color should I use for positive and what for negative. So there is no foundation guys, you can use any color you want, but remember what wire you have connected to what point or what pin, just remember that. And we have a simple green LED which is very beautiful and have a blended, not shiny or glossy, it's matte finish. So here the first thing you have observed here is this side is broader than this and this one has separation. So this one is negative side of the LED and this one is positive side of the LED. So remember this and we can use this accordingly. So what we have to do is just simply put it here, but first we need to add a resistor because this LED is designed for 20 microamps and our battery can provide more current, so this LED will goes burn out. So we don't want to destroy our LED, so we will use a simple resistor in series with this LED. So what I have to do is connect the LED to these points and we can take out the terminal from these points. So first I have to give the positive terminal of the LED. In this way the circuit is incomplete now, and what we have to use here is a simple resistor. So as of now I have this resistor which is also green, so I have to connect it to the negative side of the LED, so it will glows up like this. So as you can see our LED is going on and it's just turn on. So what we have to do is simply unconnect and this will turn off the LED. So this circuit is simple, and let's see in the paper so we can have a better idea what is going there. So first we have LED which is positive and negative sign, and this one is LED. I have included a simple resistor here, and this one is connected to positive and negative. So what this called, this is called series resistor. If I use LED directly on the battery terminals, in this way our LED may be got blast, so we don't want to destroy our LED, so that we have used a simple resistor here 1k. So how to decide which value of resistor should we use here? So simply assume that every LED will work on 2 volt and our battery can provide 3.7 volt. So we have to just 3.7 and minus 2 volt, it will roughly give you 1.7 volt. And after that we have to just divide by its current. So LEDs generally operates with 20 milliamps, and by solving this you will roughly get the idea of what resistor should I use here. This formula comes with the help of Ohm's law, which is V is equals to IR. Here I separated I here and V by R. This one is voltage difference, here voltage difference, and this is our resistance if we want to calculate the current. But since we are just want to calculate our resistance value, so we can just swap these, like R is equals to V by I. Here is this voltage different and current rating which is 20 milliamps and voltage which is 1.7. So for our LEDs here like this setup we need 230 ohm resistor, that can simply drive our LEDs without going to burn out. So this is all about today's video, guys. Subscribe our channel to see this content in upcoming videos. We will making more such videos like you, so you can learn electronics from basics. So hope you I will see you in the next one. Till now, goodbye.